My dear one, these are the very last tulips for this year, and are they not magnificent? I love them. But guess what? I want to show you something. Just last week, these tulips were everywhere in my garden. And you know what happened over the weekend? We dug out over 1,000 tulip bulbs from these borders. And instead, we dug in 60 young roses, which don't look that great right now. They still look like little sticks. But in some time, maybe next year, maybe a year after, this will be the most magnificent rose borders, and I can't wait. And the reason why I'm sharing this video is not just what I've been up to in my garden, but this is a great metaphor about the power of our imagination. You see, the process of really letting go of old parts of ourselves, giving death to old parts of ourselves, and seeding the new, focusing on new, is the never-ending process which, if we use fully, you can create any miracle on demand in your life, on business that you like. I know I created so many miracles in my life I cannot count, and here is one easy tool for that: imagination. Even if you imagine for a few minutes a day the full version of you already today living, breathing your desire in reality. If you just imagine it for even a few minutes each day or repeatedly, what you're actually doing in that moment, you are destroying, going beyond any limitations, anything that you observe that you don't like, and you are being 100% matched to your truth. Those few minutes may be insignificant, but what happens with that, you activate that desire. You literally seed or put in the ground that which will grow, and it will grow. And of course, you know, there may be a little disconnection in terms of time. You know, oh yeah, I can activate, I can connect to my truth, but there is a physical time. There is still physically creating conditions, and there is a human change, etc. But that anticipation, that knowing that you cannot escape the outcome, that's the joy of life and expansion. So use that imagination, my dear. So my question to you today is, what parts of you are you going to forget today, to give death today? And what part of you are you going to powerfully activate, plant today, so to speak? Okay?